In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Clickup storage. Whether you're new to Clickup or have been using it for a while, managing your storage wisely is pivotal to keeping your workspace efficient and clutter-free. So let's dive right in and uncover the steps to stay on top of your storage game. First things first, we'll need to navigate to the Clickup website, the all-encompassing app that promises to streamline your work processes. You can easily find it by searching for Clickup vertical bar, the Everything app for work in your browser, or by following the direct links provided in many guides online. Once you've found your way there, the real journey begins. The next step is to access your Clickup account. For that, you'll encounter a login page asking for your email. Make sure you enter the email associated with your Clickup account. This might seem basic, but ensuring you're using the correct email is crucial, especially if you manage multiple accounts or have multiple email addresses for different purposes. Following that, it's time to key in your password. Remember, your password is the key to not only your Clickup workspace, but also to the data and projects it holds. If you're someone who struggles to remember passwords, it might be a good idea to use a password manager. But for now, input your password carefully to proceed. After entering your credentials, spotting the login button should be straightforward. Clicking on this will whisk you away to your Clickup dashboard, the command center from where all your projects are accessible. It's like opening the door to productivity, where everything from tasks to documents is just a click away. Now that you're in, let's head to your personal workspace. You should see it listed by name, often your own or your organization's name, on the upper left-hand side of the dashboard. Navigating to your home or directly to your workspace is an exciting moment. Here you're greeted by everything you have lined up, from tasks that need tackling to projects in progress. The next order of business is to click on Settings. In Clickup, settings are where all the customization happens, tailoring your experience to fit your workflow perfectly. But today, we're here with a different mission: to check on our cloud storage. So, within the myriad of options available in settings, keep an eye out for the Cloud Storage tab. This is your gateway to understanding how much space you're utilizing. Upon finding and clicking on Cloud Storage, you're presented with a clear overview of your current storage situation. Clickup graciously offers this insight, ensuring users can manage their available space efficiently. Here you might discover how much space your documents, images, and other files are taking up. It's also a fantastic opportunity to audit your workspace for any unnecessary files that could be cleared out, freeing up space for future projects. And there you have it. By following these steps, you now know exactly how to check your storage on Clickup, ensuring you're making the most out of your workspace without hitting any unexpected storage limits. Remember, staying informed about your storage usage is critical for maintaining an efficient workflow. And fortunately, Clickup makes this task as straightforward as clicking through a few tabs. It's always a good practice to regularly check your storage, especially if you're part of a large team or managing numerous projects. This way you can proactively manage your space, avoid potential disruptions, and keep your workspace running smoothly. Thank you for joining me on this guide. I hope you found these steps easy to follow and that you're now more comfortable managing your Clickup storage. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your productivity and make the most of your Clickup experience. Until next time, keep optimizing and happy clicking.